Hi, I'm Martin from Bosch Power Tools, and today I'm here with UK Planet Tools in Milton Keynes, where we're going to be taking a closer look at the Bosch 18V BITURBO range, offering you corded power on a cordless platform. Let's take a closer look at the range. This is the GBH 18V-34 CF BITURBO SDS Plus hammer drill. Comes with a standard SDS tool holder fitted to the front of the machine, comes with an auxiliary handle, comes with a mode selector on the top of the machine here where we can select between forward and reverse. We also have vario lock, which I'll go into in a second, and then we also have rotary only for when we use the rotary chuck. Towards the back of the machine we've got a decoupled D handle, which helps out to dampen vibrations. The vibration readings of the tool are 10 meters per second squared, so this gives lots of trigger time and can be used safely on site for most days. When we look at the side of the machine here, we can also see that it's part of the connected range. So with use of the Bluetooth chip, we can also connect the drill to our phone, where we can change certain settings within the machine to make it more comfortable and easy to use. The maximum drilling diameter in concrete or stone is up to 32 millimeters. We can also drill up to 13 millimeters into metal with a rotary chuck, and we can do up to 40 millimeters with things like core bits. The machine is usually supplied with two 5.5s or two 8 amp hour batteries, and working in conjunction with the SDS tool itself, we can deliver impacts of up to around about 5.8 joules. When you compare that to say the 36 volt from Bosch, that delivers around 3 joules of impact. So this is almost hitting twice as hard as the 36 volt machine, but it's part of the 18 volt range. Towards the back of the machine here, or just in front of the operator's handle, we've also got a HMI, which is the human machine interface. Here we can change certain settings within the machine. So if I press the button here on the front of the HMI, first of all the machine lights up green. This gives me an indication of how much charge is in the battery. The battery's fully charged. As we can see, we've got full green lights. Once we press the button a second time, we can then go into favorite mode. Favorite modes are any settings that we put into the Bosch Toolbox app relating to this machine, where we can put in personal favorite applications. So we can basically set the sensitivity of the soft start. We can also change the speed setting when we're actually drilling. When we go into the third mode, we can actually go into soft start mode. Soft start mode is basically more beneficial to the user when we're starting to drill with the SDS machine. As soon as you put the SDS drill bit into the machine and you start the machine, because the machine's got so much power, then the drill bit has a tendency to walk on the actual surface that you're drilling. So by introducing the soft start, this reduces the speed by around about 30% and gives us more control on the machine. And then once the soft start actually ends, the machine basically kicks into full power. On the back of the machine here, we've got the ability to lock off the trigger. Okay, locking off the trigger is more useful when it comes to things like chiseling applications. When you do use the machine for chiseling, we've also got vario lock on the top of the machine. By selecting vario lock, this gives us the opportunity to introduce the chisel to the machine, but actually rotate the chisel to the perfect working conditions for our application. And once the chisel's in the right place, we can then just simply switch back to hammer. Once we've got the hammer selected, we can then operate the trigger, lock the trigger on, and we can then use the machine as a breaker. Now, as I said, this machine is the GBH 18V-34 CF. The F at the end of the title means fast change chuck. This is also included in the kit. In order to fit that chuck, towards the front of the machine here, all we do is pull this little collar towards the back of the tool holder. This will allow us to release the S tool holder. We can then take the rotary chuck and we'll simply just click the front or the chuck onto the front of the machine. This will automatically cancel the hammer function, so you're not going to blow the back end out of that chuck if you've already been doing rotary with hammer applications. It's part of the BITURBO range, so it comes with the BITURBO motor, and it also comes supplied with Procore batteries. This can be bought either with 5.5 amp hour batteries, with 8 amp hour batteries, which we do recommend, or it can be bought as a naked tool, either in carton or L-box. And that is the GBH 1834 CF from Bosch. For more information on the Bosch BITURBO range, please visit boschprofessionalpowertools.com. For deals and offers, please visit UK Planet Tools, where you can find more information on both their website and their social media channels. Thank you.